Everybody, it is Wednesday morning and I'm waiting for my buddy Raj to get here so we can start power polishing the Type R and the RS. This one's pretty new paint, but we'll see what we can get out of it. I really don't want to do it in the garage to get all the polishing residue everywhere. So I'm hoping that we can do it outside, but I'm no professional, so I'll wait till he arrives and hopefully he doesn't mind me taking some video of it all, so stay tuned. That's ridiculous. Look at the light difference. Like, look at the... Oh my goodness. Yeah. Well, look, like I'm taking the reflection off my light. Yeah. Look at, like, that's just crazy, dude. Look at it in the thing. That's just crazy.
The other side now.
Which side?
Just the middle.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah. Look. That's just crazy, eh? Right, so I'm just prepping the RS while he's polishing the Integra, and this is a brand new car, so you wouldn't think there's much defects in the paint, but there is. It's crazy. I just clay barred this. Can't hear a damn thing. It's nice and smooth up here. Not smooth at all. Like, it's like fine sandpaper. I'm holding my glove. Nothing here. It's crazy. Never would have thought there'd be so many contaminants on a brand new car, but according to Raj, happens all the time. Dealerships don't clean off the cars when they come to the dealers, and they've been on trains and transport trucks. Never really thought of it. Definitely put it into perspective for me. But she's getting cleaned up and polish out nicely, I'm sure. I mean, the paint's in great shape, so we'll see how she turns out. All right, so you can see the difference already. The hood never shined like that, ever. And from the previous video, you've seen the comparison with my light on the roof. But look at the front end so far. Looks really good. Can't wait to see it in the sun. Did you shine the light up too?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks awesome.
The one, so you can see the difference.
Yeah. Damn. Can't wait till it's done. And then we move on to the RS, which I just clay barred the shite out of. That shine. You could see the wheels on the Supra now. You probably couldn't even see the frickin' light before. That's how bad it was. And the camera is honestly not even doing it justice. It's looking great so far. I don't know if you remember the video yesterday, but there's a bunch of crap around there. So there we go. It's getting nice. So the Integra is done, and it looks, the paint itself looks like brand new. Brought out a lot of the imperfections in the car, but looks really good. Now I just gotta silicone those in. But yeah, she turned out freaking flawless, except that door. Oh well, got a new one. So this looks amazing. He's over there right now. My neighbor told me I could use his garage for the RS. Neighbor's just awesome, so. Like, look at that. Looks phenomenal. She turned out absolutely gorgeous. Different car, man. It's wicked. Very impressed. Here's the results of the RS. Looks pretty good. She's super smooth, the paint. There was some imperfections that we got out. Looks a lot better in my opinion. Super clean now, probably cleaner than she came off the dealership, hey, Raj?
Yeah. Absolutely, guarantee that.
Yeah. Which I was totally unaware of. Yeah, she's looking good though. Now the key is just to keep it this way. Include the guy, the detail guy, my guy, who did all the work on the vehicles. So here's both sides of his business card. His name's Raj. There's his number. If you're in the Calgary, Red Deer, Edmonton area, I'm not sure if he goes any further than those, but hit him up. He does a great job. Mobile service as well, so you can do it right in the comfort of your own garage. There's all the services that he renders. Once again, there's the front of his business card. So like I said, if you guys need anything, hit him up. YouTube fam, RS is done. So you can see the light is just glimmering off of it. I almost think it took a little bit off the orange peel off, but
A little bit. Yeah,
call me crazy. Yeah. Yeah, well, you can see it, it's just amazing. And the roof is like glass now, which it never was. Back of my hand. But yeah, she's looking solid. Really impressed with the way the RS turned out. I didn't really think it could be better, but I was wrong. So that concludes this video.